कल करे सो आज करे सो अब, पल में प्रलय होएगी बहुरी करोगे कब. Abhyas Edu Technologies Private Limited always believed in embracing technology in education. This adaptability of our team helped us to sail the last 9 months of 2020.
Reaching out to students, breaking the geographical barrier is no new thing to us. It was in 2012 when we first delivered our live class from Hyderabad studio to Warangal classroom. However, now it's reaching out to every home of our students and they were spread across. Our classroom students were mostly from southern states, but with digital classes, we have students from Himachal to Kerala, and for few products even from USA. Our teachers were able to adapt to the change as months passed. We have also able to do the classes from our studio rooms. Internet and infrastructure was a challenge to some of our students too. Hence, we have a students portal with video lectures and reference. We appreciate our students who have interactive and cooperative in utilizing new model effectively.
It is not just classroom training, but we also give career gyan to our students, suggesting them the colleges that suit their scores and requirements. We were able to guide our students with latest exam information, online support for applications, FB Live, and special career guidance sessions by our experts to ensure students are informed. New patterns of exams were released based on changing notifications. Essay writing, resume writing, and mock interview sessions are usually important in the second phase of selection process to college admissions. We have also ensured that we do online mock interviews to help our students prepare for exams like Symbiosis or IIMs. With support of our online exam technology, handling the introduction of writing ability test in SLAT was not difficult.
Online internal exams were going on. Our technology was adapted to handle objective questions. We were equipped with essay submissions, but it was definitely a new challenge to give a real-time board exam feel for our students. We have conducted 3-hour remote proctored descriptive exams with online submission and correction of papers. Our interaction with students after every report and of course parent-teacher meetings all continued but just in a digital manner. Life skills and career introduction sessions set the stage for beginning of the academic year. We were able to begin the academic year of 2020 to 2021 with our Abhyas Setu life skills training sessions.
Classes were going online, but it is not just teaching that happens. Material, exams, information about notifications, mentoring, and many more. Our students have utilized our features on student portal more than ever. Ebooks, discussion board, technology was used at the best. Emails and WhatsApp of information, reports and portal, special sessions on FB and YouTube, Telegram channel for latest questions and information, diverse modes of delivery were embraced. It was not just the teachers the student get attached to, but the entire admin delivery teams who support them in all other aspects. Student lives gives us wonderful memories. Fun and celebrations are a part of childhood. When there is a will, there is a way. Our events and celebrations also took to online platforms. We were able to conduct surprise quizzes, poster competitions, essay competitions, video competitions, and of course our own virtual nomination for elections and selections of our student representative for 2020-21. The verbal greetings took to video messages.
When the going gets tough, tough gets going. In 2020, we missed our students, but we congratulate all our students who stayed focused and achieved their dream schools. Our students who were focused were able to choose colleges and have admissions offers in hand, even before many other entrance exams were yet to be conducted. Abhyas family appreciate our students and parents for their support in this journey of 2020, and we wish you all a great health and a bright future in 2021.